Hello student. Today we are going to discuss on addition and subtraction using r's and r minus 1's complement. So first question is, using 10's complement, subtract this number minus this number. So suppose a equal to this number and b equal to this number. So here a smaller number is subtracted from larger number. So larger number will remain as it is, and for a smaller number 10's complement is to be found out. So 10's complement of 03250 will be, by shortcut method, uh, 0 will remain as it is, then 5 will be subtracted from 10, so 5 will come, then 2 will be subtracted from 9, then 7 will come. After that 3 will be subtracted from 9, then 6 will come, and finally 9 is subtracted from 0, 9 will come. So यहाँ जो शॉर्टकट मेथड है इसमें नंबर था 03250, तो 0 will remain as it is, 5 will be subtracted from 10, then 5 will come, and remaining number will be subtracted from 9. So 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 0 9. So number is 96750. Now this number will be added to this number. So 2 plus 0 2, 3 plus 5 8, 5 plus 7 2 carry 1, 6 plus 2 8, plus 1 carry 9, and 9 plus 7 16 and carry 1. So here and carry is discarded, and this is the answer. Now another question is, subtract 3250 minus 72530. Here a smaller number is subtracted from larger number. So a equal to 03250. So this number will remain as it is, and negative number, for negative number 10's complement is to be found. तो क्या है यहाँ नंबर 72532, तो इसका क्या होगा, इसमें कोई भी यूनिट प्लेस पे जीरो नहीं है, यूनिट प्लेस पे या उसके बाद कोई भी जीरो नहीं है, तो फर्स्ट नंबर इज सब्ट्रैक्टेड फ्रॉम 10. सो 10 minus 2 8, then remaining number will be subtracted from 9. So 9 minus 3 6, 9 minus 5 4, 9 minus 2 7, 9 minus 7 2. So number is 27468. So this number will be added to this number. So now 0 plus 8 8, 5 plus 6 1 carry 1, 4 plus 2 6 plus 1 equal to 7, 7 plus 3 0 carry 1, and 2 plus 1 3. So here no carry. So attention here, if larger number is subtracted from a smaller number, in that case carry will not come. So answer will be minus of radix of the result. So here radix is 10, so minus 10's complement of the result. Here result is 30718. So final answer will be minus 10's complement of this. तो क्या हो जाएगा, now here no zero at unit place or decimal place. So first number will be subtracted from 10. So 10 minus 8 2. Then remaining number will be subtracted from 9. So 9 minus 1 8, 9 minus 7 2, 9 minus 0 9, 9 minus 3 6. So answer is minus 69282. Now another question is, using 2's complement to perform 1010100 minus this number. So positive number will remain as it is. So suppose a equal to this, so this number will remain as it is. Now b equal to 1000100. So the number which is to be subtracted, उसका हम क्या करेंगे, जो जिस कम्प्लीमेंट से सब्ट्रैक्शन करना है वो कम्प्लीमेंट हम उस नंबर का फाइंड आउट करेंगे। तो यहाँ b इक्वल टू ये नंबर है तो इसका टूस कम्प्लीमेंट फाइंड आउट करेंगे। तो टूस कम्प्लीमेंट बाय शॉर्टकट मेथड क्या हो जाएगा, 0 0 1, इसके बाद 0 will be replaced by 1, 0 will be replaced by 1, 0 will be replaced by 1, and 1 will be replaced by 0. Now after addition, 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 0 0, 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 1 10 plus 1 1, 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 1 0, and carry 1. So here and carry is discarded. So here a smaller number is subtracted from larger number, so carry will be discarded. Now next number is subtract this number minus this number. So here larger number is subtracted from a smaller number. So positive number will remain as it is, and negative number के लिए टूस कम्प्लीमेंट इज टू बी फाउंड। तो इसका टूस कम्प्लीमेंट क्या हो जाएगा, 0 0 0 0 0 देन 1। इसके बाद क्या हो जाएगा, 0 विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय 1, 1 विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय 0, 0 विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय 1, 1 विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय 0। नाउ आफ्टर एडिशन दिस विल कम 0 plus 0 0 0 0 0 1 1 1। So here again no carry. So if larger number is subtracted from a smaller number, then answer will be minus टूस कम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ रिजल्ट। वाई टूस कम्प्लीमेंट, क्योंकि यहाँ बेस 2 था, अगर यहाँ बेस 10 होता तो हम क्या करते, टेंस कम्प्लीमेंट लेते। ओके, तो माइनस टूस कम्प्लीमेंट ऑफ दिस। अब क्या हो जाएगा, टिल फर्स्ट वन तक हम एज इट इज रखते हैं, तो टिल फर्स्ट वन तक एज इट इज रहेगा। इसके बाद क्या हो जाएगा, 1 विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय 0 एंड 0 विल बी रिप्लेस्ड बाय 1। सो दिस इज द आंसर। नाउ नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज using one's complement subtract this number minus this number. So suppose a equal to this, so positive number will remain as it is, and negative number, suppose this is the b. Now here by the help of one's complement subtraction is to be done. तो इसका one's complement find out करेंगे। तो one's complement 0 will be replaced by 1 and 1 will be replaced by 0. So one's complement of this number will be this. Now after addition this will come. So again here there is a and carry. So here and carry will be added. So after addition answer will come 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 1 0, 1 plus 1 0, 0 plus 1 1 0 0. This is the answer. Now next is using one's complement subtract this number minus this. So here larger number is subtracted from a smaller number. So a smaller number a equal to 1 0 0 1 0 0. So a smaller number will remain as it is, and for larger number one's complement is to be found. तो इसका one's complement क्या हो जाएगा, 0 will be replaced by 1 and 1 will be replaced by 0. So after addition this will come. So here answer will be minus one's complement of this. So इसका वंस कम्प्लीमेंट हो जाएगा दिस। सो आंसर इज दिस। सो व्हाट इज द कंक्लूजन। सो हियर टेंस कम्प्लीमेंट, टूस कम्प्लीमेंट can come in the category of arts complement. Tens complement, twos complement can come in the category of arts complement. So when subtraction is to be done by the help of arts complement, so you have to think two cases. Case number one is when uh, a smaller number is subtracted from larger number, and case number 2 when larger number is subtracted from a smaller number. So you have seen case number 1 when a smaller number is subtracted from larger number, so and carry will be discarded. But for another case when larger number is subtracted from a smaller number, in that case result is not the final answer. Final answer would be minus r's complement of the result. Okay, and what about r minus 1's complement? So 1's complement and 9's complement can come in the category of r minus 1's complement. So when subtraction is to be done by the help of r minus 1's complement, in that case in that case again there are two cases. Case number 1 is when larger number is subtracted from a smaller number, and case number 2 when a smaller number is subtracted from larger number. So first case is a smaller number is subtracted from larger number. So in this case and carry will be added. If you compare 1's complement by the help of 2's complement, so in case of 2's complement, you have seen when a smaller number is subtracted from larger number, in that case carry will be discarded. But in r minus 1's complement and carry will be added. And when another case is when larger number is subtracted from a smaller number. So this is same as r's complement. So here also answer will be minus r minus 1's complement of result, like r's complement minus minus r's complement of the result. Thank you for watching my video.